Welcome back to Wealth and Health, the go-to spot where we unravel the mysteries of your moolah. I'm your finance guide, Adam, and today we're tackling some financial myths head-on. So, if you're ready to level up your money game, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. First myth on the chopping block: you need a ton of cash to start investing. That's a big fat no. Whether you're rocking $100 or $1,000, there's an investment strategy for you. Today, we're breaking down some low-cost entry points and sharing tips on how to kickstart your investment journey without burning through your wallet. Let's debunk the myth that investing is only for the high rollers. Next up, credit cards are always trouble. Not so fast. When handled right, credit cards can be your financial BFFs. We're dishing out strategies to get the most out of your plastic, boost the credit score, and maybe snag some sweet cash back. Sayonara to the misconception that all credit cards are evil. Myth number 3, renting is a waste of money. Hold up, it's not that simple. Renting versus buying is a personal call, and sometimes renting is the smart move. We're breaking down the pros and cons so you can make an informed decision about your living situation. Last but not least, I don't need an emergency fund. Trust me, you do! Life's a roller coaster, and having a financial safety net is non-negotiable. We're talking about why emergency funds are your financial superhero, how much you should stash, and sharing real-life stories that drive the point home.
And there you have it, Money Mavens. We've shattered some of the biggest financial myths that might be cramping your style. If you found this video helpful, throw it a thumbs up, subscribe for more myth-busting wisdom, and smash that notification bell to stay in the loop. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your greenbacks. Thanks for tuning into Wealth and Health, and until next time, stay financially savvy.